Question 6. We're in radians mode. Okay, let's have a look at it here. So solve this equation to two significant figures from minus pi to pi. So let's draw a circle right cast. Sine is positive here and here, isn't it? So draw two lines. Mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and write sine alpha is equal to 0.6. So alpha is shift sine 0.6 in radians mode. So that's radians mode, shift sine 0.6. Am I in radians mode? Shift mode 4. Yeah, 0.64. So what was that again? Let's just get that accurate. 6435. Okay, so x plus 0.7 then, the angle in question, is equal to, okay, this amount, 0.6435, or is equal to pi minus 0.6435. So that tells us what x equals then. X is equal to 0.6435 minus 0.7, or pi plus pi minus 0.6435 minus 0.7. So let's have a look at the ranges then. There it is in the calculate, nice and accurate. So that'd be that answer minus 0.7 minus 0. Two significant figures. Let's just get it. 56056 is the first one, and the next one would be pi minus 0.6435, should be accurate enough, minus 0.7. 1.798, two significant figures, 1.8. There's our two solutions. So part B, oh, they're both in the range. No, they're not, because they fall out. Oh yes, they are. That's fine. Minus pi to pi, they're both in the range, aren't they? Okay, good. So they didn't fall out of the range at all. So here we've got 5 cosine squared. Sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared theta. Move that over. 6 cosine squared theta minus cosine theta minus the 1. Move that over as well. Factorize. 3 and a 2, you would think. Or 1 and a 1. The bigger is the negative. 6 minus plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 is fine. So that tells us that cosine theta equals minus 1/3, or cosine theta is equal to 1/2. Okay, good. Now 2 does tan theta equal 2 root 2. So let's look back at the paper, see what it says. Possible values, hence show that a possible value of tan theta is 2 root 2. Okay. So here, cosine theta is negative So causes negative here and here. So you've got this situation here. So you've got 1 and 3. So this is root 2. And this would be 3, and this is root 2. So sine theta here is equal to sine theta would be opposite root 2 over 3, or sine theta then would equal opposite minus root 2 over 3, if this were the case. And then this one. Okay. I think this should be sufficient. So here we could say that cosine theta is minus 1/3 and sine theta is equal to minus root 2 over 3. So tan theta would be sine over cos would be root 2, which is not what we want, I don't think, because it was 2 root 2 we wanted. Okay, let's try this one then. Here, cos theta's a half, so we'd end up with theta's in this section here. 1, 2, and this would be root 3. This would be 2. So sine theta would be a half, or sine theta would be minus a half. So that doesn't give 2 root 2, so let's go back to the paper. Tan theta is 2 root 2 sine over cos. Let's have a look at this. Oh, hang on. This is 2 root 2 here. My mistake on the algebra here. So sine theta is 2 root 2 over 3, or minus 2 root 2 over 3. And that will give that. So apologies for that. I did 9 minus 1 square root of 8 is 2 root 2 is what I should have done. So that's correct now. This doesn't provide any solutions. Okay.